Hi everybody! Today we will talking about leather. Leather was one of the first materials commonly used by humans. For millenniums humans developed many ways to change ordinary leather to useful and gorgeous things. Around 2000 years ago, leather was commonly used almost in every corner of the world. Skilled craftsmen could create extraordinary items, and today we can have many beautiful products made of leather. The most common are shoes and boots, all types of bags, strong belts and cozy gloves, furniture, luxury car interiors, accessories and jewelry, and many other products. Let's go to watch first part of series showing how to change leather to useful things, but before we start our today's project, let me show a few items I've done myself. This lovely tray would be a great idea if you are looking for a unique gift for anybody who loves horses. And each of those two would be a perfect idea for gift for cat lovers. This one is made according to traditional Irish pattern and color, combination of Irish knot and green motifs corresponding well with natural beauty of leather. More items soon, but now let's go back to our today's project. Of course, at the beginning we should start with easy projects, so for today I picked tiny tea candle holders. It would be great introduction to Leathercraft, as to create that project you need absolutely basic tools, and whole project it's like a set of 3 or 4 holders could be created within just as short time like 1 hour.